Hello students, today I teach subject science of class 3. Chapter number 2, human body. Okay, so human body, that is our body, is made up of millions and millions of cells. Okay, and cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of living beings. Okay, so similar type of cells join together to form a tissue. Okay, and a group of tissues join together to form an organ. Okay, and a group of organs join together to form an organ system. Okay, and human body, that is our body, mainly consists many organ systems to form an organism. Okay, so our body, that is human body, mainly consists 8 types of organ system. Okay, and these are the respiratory system, the digestive system, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, and the reproductive system. So now we learn about this system in detail. Okay, so first, respiratory system. So respiratory system mainly consists nose, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, and when we breathe, the air enters our body through nose. Okay, and then the air goes to the lungs through windpipe. Okay, and the air we breathe is called inhaled air, and this is rich in oxygen. Okay, and the air we breathe out is called exhaled air, and it contains a lot of carbon dioxide. Okay, next, deep breathing. So deep breathing is a process in which our lungs expand and allow better distribution of air in all sections of the lungs. Okay, and practicing deep breathing is very beneficial to relieve stress and increase lungs capacity and reduce tiredness. Okay, next, pollution. So what is mean by pollution? So presence of unwanted substance which are called pollutants in the atmosphere, which can adversely affect the quality of life, is known as pollution. And the pollution mainly occurs in soil, air, and water. Okay, so here we discuss about air pollution. So air pollution means the presence of undesirable substance in the atmosphere. Okay, and the causes of air pollution. So burning of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Okay, and natural process like volcanoes and tornadoes. Okay, and from industrial waste, from factories and mining activities. Okay, so these are the causes of air pollution. And what are the effects of air pollution? So there are several effects of air pollution, like it can lead to depletion of ozone layer, and acid rain can affect aquatic life and natural vegetation. Okay, and harmful pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide can cause respiratory disease. Okay, so what are the solutions and prevention of the air pollution? So first, we use public transport instead of individual vehicles, and garbage should not be burned in the open but properly disposed of, and more uh, planting of trees. Okay, so we can prevent by this way of air pollution. Okay, so next, digestive system. So digestive system mainly consists mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Okay, and anus. So digestive system, the main function of this system is that breakdown of food into similar substance to provide energy. Okay, and this energy help us to studying, growing, and playing, etc. Okay, so breakdown of food into similar form to give energy is called digestion. Okay, so student, you learn this chapter very carefully, and we learn rest of the topic of this chapter in our next class. Okay, so goodbye.